Did you know that many fruits and veggies don't need refrigeration? A hard fact, yes, it destroys their taste. These include onions, bananas, avocados, tomatoes, apples, and even potatoes. The more you know, right? Unique European design allows perfect airflow so no mold can grow. And if you desire, they're perfect for storing even your toys, yarn, plants, or gloves. The baskets can be installed on both the splashback or the kitchen wall. Your set already comes with screws and plugs for super easy installation. A clear installation guide is available on the back of the box. Cut out the template and place it on the wall. Drill 2 pilot holes through the marked holes. Next, install the plugs and screw the baskets to the wall. You are now ready to place all your fruits and veggies into the baskets. These baskets are light and spacious and can perfectly hold all your produce. This is the ultimate choice to keep all your healthy and nutritious food in perfect condition.